Look at these. A beautiful pathway here. Look at that. Yeah. It's a bit forestry. We call it forestry. Okay, lots of, and there's a rabbit there. Look, there's a rabbit there. So I think to be safe, don't come here at night. Just on the daytime. There's that's where we came from. So, right, Levi, you are in your expedition to Daily Baboy. How about that? You can sit here. Bench. Hey, Levi, slowly, darling. Don't break your toe. Don't break toes. Okay. Good boy. Alright. People. Sending you love. Bye.